Hey there, video number 2 in the communications series. Before we get started, make sure you go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, look under Paralegal Resource Hub, get the playbook. Okay, so important, no charge, just go get it. But look around the whole website, look under the Legal Break-In Book tab, look under Bar Charts tab, look under Courses, look under Paralegal Inner Circle class, and on. Okay, so video number 2 is, if I don't communicate about something that is troubling me or I'm not sure of, I'm making an assumption, which we don't ever do in the legal field, by the way. We have to have facts. We have to know how to do something. And when we don't, we have to learn how to do it. And we have to figure it out. So our journey never stops in that regard, but hiding our mistakes is not an option. So the honesty is best. You don't want to sit there waiting for the other shoe to drop and waiting for the attorney to find out that you really messed up. Don't go down that route. Don't do what I found in someone's cubicle when they were out for the day. The attorney was frantically looking for a document, and I saw a pile of filing on the floor that seriously was 2 feet high. There was no excuse not to do that filing. Even if you do 5 pieces a day, hiding things like that makes the attorney not trust you anymore. You want to build trust, and communication is key. All right, stay tuned for video 3 next.